Okay, so you've been trying to figure out how to make your first $1,000 online and you keep seeing the same vague advice. Start a blog, do dropshipping, whatever it is that you've come across. I want to cut through that today because there's more direct path that a lot of people sleep on: affiliate marketing. And I'm not talking about some complicated setup. I'm talking about signing up for a platform, grabbing a link and getting paid when someone buys through it. Simple as that. So here are 5 platforms worth actually looking at. The first is OfferLab. This one is solid if you are just starting out. It connects you with offers that you can promote and track your commissions. Good place to get your feet going. So the second one is Awin. Awin is a big network that a ton of brands already on it. You apply to the network, then apply to individual advertisers within it. More steps, but more options too. The third one is Impact. Impact is one of the more polished platforms out there. A lot of well-known companies run their affiliate programs through Impact, so the earning potential per sale can be pretty decent depending on what you promote. So the fourth one is CJ Affiliates, formerly Commission Junction. This one's been around forever, which means it's got a wide range of advertisers. It can feel a little overwhelming at first, but once you are in, there's a lot of work to do. And the fifth one is PartnerStack. PartnerStack is especially good if you are interested in promoting software or SaaS products like apps and tools, and those tend to have recurring commissions, meaning you get paid every month a customer stays subscribed. So that's the kind of thing that adds up over time. Now, real talk, none of these are get rich quick. You still need an audience, a platform to share your links, whether that's YouTube, a blog, social media, whatever. So the tools are just the starting point, but the barrier to entry is genuinely low and the upside is real if you are consistent. So if you have been putting this off, pick one of these 5, sign up this week and just start. The first 1,000 is always the hardest to make, and these platforms are a legitimate way to get there. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, because we break down money and life skills like this all the time. See you in the next one.